friend of Miss Blackview A90, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. Firstly, select an app like Chrome and click on this button with 3 lines. Then tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and select split screen. Following that, just click on the other app from background apps or select Home button and click on one from here, like Play Store. As you can see, now I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you want to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards and select Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!